Hello everyone, I'm going to show you how to log into your single sign-on and get to Canvas, and hopefully everyone has a successful start to the new year. So the first thing you're going to do is go to Google or whatever search engine you use, and up here at the top you're going to type in sso.ems-isd.net, sso.ems-isd.net, and then you're going to click enter. It's going to take you to your single sign-on portal. If this is the first time that you have signed in lately since we've done some updates, it may pop up, something may pop up that you have this warning, and for this time it's okay to actually click that you're going to proceed through. There is a video that is individual about single sign-on, so if you have further questions about that, you might check out that video as well. So the first thing that we're going to do is sign in. And again, we sign in just like we do on the computer. So yours will be your ID number followed by your regular password. Then when you sign in, it's going to take you to your single sign-on portal. Yours is going to look a little bit different than mine because these can be customized to fit whatever works best for you as a learner. So one of our icons here is Canvas, and you'll notice that these have a little lock and key on it. So once you have used it a couple of times, then in your single sign-on, sometimes it'll automatically hold that login information for you. But you're going to click Canvas, and then it's probably going to ask you for your login information. You could see that back there. So then you're going to log in just like you log into the computer. Once you've logged into Canvas, it's going to take you to your dashboard. If for some reason yours pops up and you are not seeing anything, then you need to go over here on these three dots and make sure that you select Card View. When you have the card view displayed, that's when you will see your each individual class. So on our first day of school, we are going to follow along just like it would be a typical bell schedule. So whatever you have first period, that is the Canvas course that you will need to be in for that day for first period. So your courses will be little cards like this, and it will say the actual course underneath here. So to find out your schedule, you will need to go into Skyward, look at your schedule there, and make sure that you follow along at the appropriate times for your individual classes through Canvas. So I hope that that makes everything a lot easier for you to log into Canvas so that you are ready for the first day, and I hope that you have a wonderful year.